In this Code.org lesson, we're going to be making art with programs, with our programs. I'm not the best artist, but programming art I can do. Let's dive right in. This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Video, art, yep, let's keep going. Hi, I'm an artist. You can write code to make me draw almost anything. Yeah, play with the blocks in the toolbar. Okay, I'm just gonna mess around and I'll show you when I'm done. Ta-da! It's my masterpiece. I picked a random color, I move forward 100 pixels, and then I turn left. Now, 4 times in a row, I move forward 50, and then I turn left by 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. It does each of those. Once I run these 2 lines 4 times, it's going to drop below, I change color to random, and I move forward again. Fun. Let's see what else we're going to do. Alright. Drag onto the screen. Okay, so we need to finish this off. Oh, I have to outline it? Alright, well, I need to move forward, I believe. And then turn right, because it's a square. 90 degrees, yep. I mean, 4 sides, that's looking good. Oh, I think we only have to do 2. Except, I'm a block over. So how could I do this without being a block over? Well, look. Move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. Instead of having all of those blocks do the exact same thing, I'm going to tell the computer to repeat this twice. Let me drop my code in. Droop and droop. I have 4 blocks. Bam. Onward. Okay. This spaceship needs a window. Oh, each side's 100 pixels. Ooh. And 90. Okay, so I right now have one side, I think. So I'll turn right after that. Because it's a square, each side should be the same. I mean, I'll move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. Each side should be the same. That's why I'm kind of confident in this. So I've used 9. I probably don't need to turn right here, but let me show you something. This works, but I'm repeating myself. And in code, I never need to do that. So I could have had it just be 8 blocks with just a move forward here, and that should work. But instead, it's a square. So repeat 4 times, these 2 lines, plop. I only use 4 lines, and I do it. Onward. Okay. Oh, we got to finish a rocket ship. Okay, so I'll move forward 100, I think. Yep. Oh, 100-degree outer. Okay. So maybe that, and then move forward. Let's see what I have so far. Oh, that's looking good. Okay. That, and move forward. Yeah. Onward. Oh, maybe we should, okay. Finish the tag. All right, so I have 1 block on my screen, and I can use up to 8. So I think I'll move forward, and it tells me it's 200 pixels here. So I'm going to trust it. And code always runs in order. Once I move forward, what angle is that? Well, I'm going to trust them on this. That's going to be a right angle. And then does it tell me, oh, the smaller sides are 100. Let's see where that gets me. Yeah, okay. Now let's keep going here. So move forward, but this is the long side, so I know it's 200. And then turn right. And then this is the shorter side, so I know it's 100. That's 8 blocks, and this is going to work great. Once again, I'm saying the same thing over and over, all right? So you might think, oh, look, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, and it wouldn't matter if I turned right at the end one more time. However, we got to be careful. The sides are different lengths. So actually, we need it more like that, right? Because since the sides are different lengths, now we're still repeating ourselves, but instead of 4 times, it should be 2, I think. And let me put all that repeat stuff here. And instead of repeating myself, I'll make the computer do it with a repeat block. Both are correct, but we did it the fancy way. Ooh. Oh, 200. Okay, we got this. Move forward 200. And we already know it's a 90-degree angle. It looks like I'm facing left. I need left. And one more. And I'm seeing a loop opportunity. So look, we got this. 8 out of 8. This is going to run. Okay, we did it, but we could use a loop instead. And this time, all the sides are the same. And would it matter if I turn left at the end? Definitely not. Quapow. So, 4 sides of a square. Let's give that a shot. Both are correct, but why not use less code? Yeah. Yes, I love the challenges. Challenge puzzle are designed to stretch your brain. Yes, they are. All right. This is a special tag. The long side's 150, so they gave us that part. Okay, now what is this angle? We've done something somewhat like that. Let's start with... And notice how many times I'm going to run this. I'm going to test it a ton. Okay, so that looks pretty good. 75. Cool. Now what's that angle? That looks like the edge of a square, right? So I think that is a right and 90 degrees. And then they told us this stuff is 75, so... Yes. Okay, now what? Well, if I'm... I turned 45 last time, so what if I complete it by doing... And then 150. Cool. And then, just like we did before... And if I'm saying just like we did before, I bet there's an opportunity to use a loop. So I hope that triggered that in your head. But let's try this first. Make sure this works. Yep. And since both sides are, since both sides are the same, this is correct, right? We got 12 blocks, but both sides, I can tell you right now, of this shape are the same. So let me look for some repeated code. So I start with move forward 150. Let me look. Yep, right there. Move forward 150. Turn right, forward 75, turn right again 90, move forward, and I could turn right at the end of this one, the same amount, and it's not going to make a difference. So instead of doing all of that, I can just use a repeat. 2 times, do all of this code, and again, this is also correct. Victory! Alright, one more tag, triangle for... Oh, okay, sure. And then I guess a left, I'm going to trust him on this because we've done one triangle before. How many sides does this triangle have? 150. 150. 3 sides it has. So I probably don't need this last left, but I'm going to... Let's see though if we repeat ourselves. Of course we do. It's 3 sides. I could turn left at the end like I have been doing. So instead of doing this, and that code was correct... Why don't I just put a 3 in here and make the computer do the repeating? Bam. Ooh, now keep in mind on this one, you want to, once you click an answer and hit run, it submits to your teacher and you can't change your answer. So let's take a look and think about this together. Alright, so when I hit run, I'll move forward 200. Plop. Okay, so 200. Then I turn 90 degrees. Okay. And then what? Move forward 200. Zoop. Okay. Then what? Turn left 90, so I guess this way? And notice how I'm just going line by line. 200 forward. Okay, so we have 3 sides. Left 90. Okay, so I'm facing this way. Oh, 4 sides. That sounds like a square to me. Triangle. Nope. Single line. No, look at all these lines. Ooh, a square. Now, if you didn't follow that, make sure you go back and watch that again. You really want to get these concepts. Onward.